Okay, snapping the clay. Go ahead. There it goes.
One more time, just for good measure?
Go another time, just for the hell of it. And I always do.
That's it.
That's good. It's snapped. Okay. And we just got to wrestle it out of there.
Still taking this thing out. Show the clean cut, if it is a clean cut. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. You can barely see it. That's it right there.
Yeah. So now you just got to be careful getting it out of there, though, because it still is between two not perfect cuts.
Well, then should we break this one out?
Yeah,
Would that be
usually
better?
I just break it in the middle.
Well, here, hold on a minute. Let me get my hammer and I'll just break that because it's already broken anyways.
That way it doesn't, damage the other ends.
Yeah, you can see all the roots. This is going to be good anyways when you see it. See, this is where it's all broken out. That's all paper. Okay. So this is pretty much all they did when they did this initially, right? They just took something down and snapped it.
Yeah.
Let me get this up. Look at them.
Yeah, look at them roots in there.
Yeah, now let's see what... Oh, look at that.
Yeah, there's some roots in that pipe.
Yeah, let's see the other side.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. The roots are... This isn't even coming out. Ah. Now that's packed.
Yeah, I'd say that's newer needed to be,
Look at that root system here around the hub.
Look at that.
These are some of the roots we took out.
These things are like little tree trunks.
So this was necessary.
Yeah, oh yeah. This is a good call.
Okay.
And we'll get a clean out in there, and then we'll snake the sewer and get rid of all of that. Man. And yeah, we're definitely going to have to snake it from here to the street, and then when we put the clean out in the back of the house, we'll have to snake up to here.
Sounds good.